Hello everyone and welcome to this week's short video tutorial. This example will be a continuation of the tactic of dislodging and is based on the free ebook that's available on the World Xiangqi Federation website. I think the website is moving house soon, or that's what I heard in the grapevines. So a short analysis of the board will show that red would have 2 cannons, 2 chariots, 2 pawns, a full guard, and black would have 2 cannons, 2 horses, and 1 chariot. So material wise, both colors would be about approximately the same. Red would have 2 more pawns, but he would lack an advisor, and the king was poorly positioned. Now, according to the book, this example was taken from a match that was played by 2 famous Xiangqi players. Unfortunately, not much else was known about this position. Now, this is a very tight and tense situation. Black had already concentrated 4 pieces, and the red king was poorly positioned. It is red's turn to move. Now, for red to win, the main idea would be to try to get this chariot into action, so that these 2 chariots coupled with the king could threaten with a checkmate. So in this example, the moves that were given would show how red can cleverly maneuver the cannon to dislodge the enemy chariot and give his chariot an open file to attack. So let us begin. C8 -1 to prevent cannon from trying to trade material, etc. Now black would play C8 equals to 2, forcing the cannon away. Black would go R8 plus 6. And this was the move that was played in the game. Now this would be a very questionable move. So instead, red should have played C9 plus 4 to attack according to the game. Now it was recommended in the book that black should have played C9 plus 4 to try to form a blockade. Let's say if red tried to gain material with C9 plus 1, black would simply advance his cannon, form a blockade, and threaten to capture the red cannon in the process. As long as this chariot were not mobilized, black would still have a chance in the game. Unfortunately, R8 equals to 3 was played, and this would be a blunder. And once R8 plus 1 was played, black immediately pounced on the chance to advance his cannon, and thus this would force a trade of material. The check. Again, no matter how black would counter, red's left chariot will be activated. So the earlier sacrifice by red was actually a pseudo sacrifice, and once the chariot was activated, it would cause a lot of trouble, and red would go on to win the game. So black would not last much longer. So a short recap. Again, the idea in this situation would be to activate this red chariot. In the match, C8 -1 was played, and black unfortunately fell for red's trap. Played C8 equals to 2, protecting the cannon. And this move was played so that red could advance the cannon. Unfortunately, black made another blunder, R8 equals to 3, and this resulted a check, and this resulted in his situation deteriorating very rapidly. And red will now gain material, no matter how black would attack, and it will just be a matter of time before black would win. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do give me a thumbs up and like my channel. Thank you.